Hi friends, this is Amy Simons from St. James Music Press. And just like Christmas, we have good news. We're launching a new website early in 2020 that will give you more advanced search options, easier previews, and better interfacing on your mobile and tablets. Now, while most of your profile information will slide right over to the new site, there's one bit of data that will not, and this is your collection of favorites. So, just like with our kids, the staff tries not to play favorites. We love all of our 1,500 plus scores equally, but you, however, may have a few standouts. And if those standouts have become staples in your program, you may want to indicate those as favorites. That way you can find them more quickly later. And it works like this. Once you have located a score in the catalog, near where you can preview the MP3 or a PDF file, you will see a link that says Add to Favorites. Once you click that link, it will be added. Oh, look, there it is. It'll be added to your personally curated list of favorites. And to find those again, go up toward the top and click the Favorites link. Once here, you will see everything that you have indicated as such. And this is like a shortcut to all these scores. That way you can find them really fast when you need them. So, if you've done this, great. And if you haven't, don't start. Because like I said, while most of your data will come over to the new site, this information will not. Now I know it's important to you, so the easiest way I've found for you to make a note of this data is as such. Somewhere on your internet browser, wherever you keep its settings, you will see an option to print. When you print this web page, you will see the text, the list of all your favorites. Now you can save this as a PDF file and keep it electronically on your local hard drive. You can print a paper copy and file it, keep it at arm's length so you know it's not too far. But that is the most straightforward way to keep a localized copy of your list of favorites. Now you may ask, what happens when the new website gets launched? Well, lucky you, because you're watching this video and you get to see a sneak preview of that. The Favorites tool is something that will still be available in the new website. And how that works is very similar. You locate a piece in the catalog, and on the preview page, you will see an option to add it to your favorites. Once you've done that, you can see the entire list of your favorites by navigating to the drop-down menu under your username. This is sort of a collection of data now that is all about you. This is the easiest place to renew your subscription, to edit any account information, and to find your favorites. You click there, and you will find your list. It's that easy. So, save your list of favorites on the old website. Keep it close. We will give you lots of notice before anything changes. We will follow up with more videos such as this to make sure that you are well aware of what's going to be different, hopefully easier in the new site. There's a possibility that we will have some live Q&A times. So after things are launched, if you are needing some expert advice, we'll be here for you. The important thing to remember is that the music is still going to be terrific quality. It is still going to be available for you to print and use and download and upload to your church's YouTube page and promote your choir and your parish as much as you like. Hopefully, the new website will just make it a little easier to do that. So, thanks for sticking with us, and we'll see you soon on SJMP.